I can take a sip. If there's nothing I can take a sip.
It seems to be on every time I try and say something.
Wow, this calls for the application of scientific testing debugging procedures. I love procedures. Oh, how I love procedures.
Dude.
Well, we're gonna have to yank it out, of course.
My tooth?
No.
All just did just fix the tune machine.
Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Looney, you're a genius.
I know.
How many of y'all out there recognize this tune? Raise your hand. Yeah, go ahead, blurt it out. Who wrote it? And if it's okay with Looney Bird, I'm gonna invite you to sing the song for us.
I don't care. I'm leaving.
Me have it, or are you gonna want it?
Well, Billy Bob, I'll tell you what, good old buddy. That turkey leg is all yours. Heh, what do you think I am, a cannibal?
One that your mama loves so much. You know, the one she gets you to do in front of everybody every year?
No, Billy Bob, I can't do it. I'm sorry.
No, Looney Bird. All you gotta do is say, okay, Billy Bob, you can have the point.
Ah, sounds un-American.
One.